bunch of niggas drop.
Good job. Fire callers.
Beware.
Can we kill that last engineer?
Yeah, cleave them down with these fire callers, guys.
Beware.
Alright. Slag elemental's already in place. Kill those fire callers, and then we're going to kill Star. Give me a wings and okay.
It's on cooldown.
Give me transcendence, Safra.
Alright.
Beware.
Final.
All in primal. This is odd group potions.
Just
Beware.
Push it.
Wings will be up in 10 seconds.
Use them on next blast, please. Good job, fire caller.
Them off.
Watch out for your volatile fires, guys.
Shield.
Beware.
Gonna use him, get people
moving
up.
to the next.
Beware.
It's like we have 4 fire color.
There's a bunch of these.
Beware.
I can't. They're not fucking moving, dude. This is fucking.
Somebody go
You gotta
knock them
interrupt him.
back, please.
Beware.
Heal Mal'Ganis. Sai, I need you to trank on this blast. Good.
Make sure you're interrupting those cauterized wounds casts. They're nasty.
Beware.
I think we just got 2 new fire colors. Do we want to kill them or the ads?
No, kill Slag. All DPS switch to Skull.
Beware.
Alright, we're gonna get on the Primal Elementalist.
Beware.
Need wings if you have it.
Spread out if you got the debuff.
Beware.
Wings is on seat.
Remember, this is a.
Have the security guards in. Security guards in.
Beware.
Fuck, dude.
Shit.
It does. The
He's unaffected,
shield
he's
doesn't
unaffected.
affect the.
Get him down. Get Tokos up.
Beware.
Ah, shit.
Beware.
Save it for the next.
Alright, we need fire callers down. We're getting really behind on heals.
Beware.
And is
I just
Go
dropped
ahead,
time.
Wings is
good. Yep. Wings next blast.
Beware.
Herb dropped the statch. Because it's in a shield.
Beware. Beware.
Clear
Alright,
up some
kill that-
guards too.
Kill that X fire caller and then switch over
Beware.
to Skull.
Got another set of fire callers just spawned in.
Just finish that one and get on
Beware.
Skull.
volatiles, get up.
Beware.
There's a shield on it.
Beware.
Kill this. That's a wipe.
Beware.
Might want to kill 2 primal elementalists and then switch to fire colors. It's taking us too long there.
It's gonna get nasty then. Maybe if we just kill one fire caller,
Beware.
like if we kill an elementalist, kill one fire caller, kill an elementalist, that also gives people time to get the slag to the right